Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact Progressive Insurance customer support. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Once you open the browser, click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link www.progressive.com/contact-us. Press enter. Now wait for a while and you'll directly be led to the Contact Us interface of Progressive. You'll be able to get support anytime via chat, email, phone or social media. You'll be able to find the options like chat now, login, call 24/7 and send email over here. In the chat now interface, you'll be able to see the frequently asked questions too. You can simply click on the question and you'll be able to find the articles related with it. If not, you can also chat with them. For that, what you have to do is click on this option, start chat, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to chat with them. You'll be able to see the message bar over here. Simply click on it. Now what you have to do is type in your message. Simply enter your problem or question over here. Once you do that, you can click on the send option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, your message will be sent and you'll be replied promptly. So like this, you'll be able to contact the customer service. You can also log into your account and contact the customer service. For that, click on the option login and log into your account. Likewise, you can also contact them via call. So simply click on the option call 24/7. Now you'll be able to find various numbers over here. You can call these numbers 24/7. If you want to contact the general customer service, you'll be able to find the number over here. You can simply call this number and contact the customer service. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the phone numbers for general fax, commercial customer service, for reporting fraud or identity theft, etc. Also, you can contact them via email. For that, click on this option, send mail. Now you can see over here, you'll have to select a topic. Simply click on the field of select a topic. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now once you do that, simply scroll down. Now you can see over here, you'll have to fill in this form that you can see right over here on your screen. First of all, enter the name. Likewise, enter your email. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Once you do that, also select the state. Click on the field of state and select the state. Now enter your phone number too. This is optional. Likewise, what you have to do is enter your question. Click on this field. Now what you have to do is enter your problem or question over here. Now once you enter your question, what you have to do is scroll down. If you want them to use your comment as a part of any advertising or marketing, you can check on this box that you can see right over here. Otherwise, click on the submit option that you can see on your screen. Now simply wait for a while. Your form will be submitted. Once your form has been submitted, it might take up to 2 business days in order to respond to you. So simply exercise your patience. So like this too, you'll be able to contact the customer service. So these are basically the ways to contact the customer service of Progressive Insurance. So that is how you contact Progressive Insurance customer service. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.